The unboxing experience is clean, straightforward, and clearly aligned with the product's minimalist philosophy. Inside the box, the 9-in-1 USB Type-C laptop docking station stand is securely packaged to prevent movement or damage during transport. Alongside the stand, an USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is essential for both data transfer and power delivery, as well as an English user manual that clearly outlines setup requirements and compatibility considerations. There is no unnecessary packaging or decorative filler. Everything included serves a clear, functional purpose. From the first interaction, it is evident that this product is designed for daily, real-world use. Something meant to be folded, deployed, connected, and packed away repeatedly without complication. Build quality is one of this stand's strongest points. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy, the stand feels rigid, stable, and confidence-inspiring. Even with larger laptops, there is no wobble or flex during typing. The triangular support structure does an excellent job of distributing weight. Non-slip silicone pads keep the laptop firmly in place while also protecting it from scratches. The open, forward tilt design improves airflow, allowing better heat dissipation compared to laying a laptop flat on a desk. This is particularly useful when driving external displays or charging at higher wattages. Despite its solid construction, the stand remains impressively portable. When folded, it collapses down to a slim profile, making it easy to slip into a backpack or carry-on bag.